Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about the continuation of Introduction to Thermodynamic System, that is session 2. The subject content delivered in today's sessions are types of thermodynamics, open system, closed system and isolated system with their respective examples, and simple understanding table for types of thermodynamic system, and also some important units that are to be used in thermodynamic system. Next we shall go to the types of thermodynamics. Basically, thermodynamic systems are classified into three types. Number one, open system. Example, turbines, compressor. B, closed system. Example, hot water bag, hot plates. C, isolated system. Example, thermos flask. Next, we go through the open system. So first, what is open system? Open system means the mass of system is not fixed. It is not constant, and energy may cross the boundary. Energy means work and heat may cross the boundary. Such system is known as open system. Now we consider a piston and cylinder arrangement. So here the piston moves up and down movement by the movement of the gas. So it means here heat and work may cross the boundary, but mass of the gas is not fixed. Such system is known as open system. Examples, turbines, compressor, radiator, etc. Next, closed system. The mass of system is fixed and energy means heat and work may cross the boundary is known as closed system. Here also same. The piston moves in the cylinder up and down movement by the gas. So here mass of the system is fixed, but energy may cross the boundary. Such system is known as closed system. Example, hot water bag, hot plates, etc. Next, lastly, isolated system. So the mass of system remains fixed. Energy will not cross the boundary. Such system is called as isolated system. Now let a quantity of ice in a thermally insulated container. Here heat will not cross the boundary and mass of the system remains fixed. Such system is known as isolated system. Example for this, thermos flask. And simple understanding table for types of thermodynamic system as follows. First column is serial number, second column system, third column mass, fourth column energy, fifth column examples. Number 1, open system. So mass, yes, energy, yes. Example, turbine. So it means here both mass and energy will cross the boundary. Number 2, closed system. Mass, no. Energy, yes. Example, hot water bag. So here mass of the gas is fixed. Energy may cross the boundary. Next, isolated system. So no mass, no energy. Example, thermos flask. So here mass and energy do not cross the boundary. Some important units that are to be used in thermodynamic system. Number 1, length, symbol L, unit meter, mass, symbol M, kilogram, force, symbol F, Newton, pressure P, Pascal, volume V, meter cube, temperature T, Kelvin, velocity V, meter per second, density rho, kg per meter cube, power P, watt, energy E, joules, specific heat C, joule per kg degree Kelvin. Next, we will discuss about the MCQ questions so that you will be clear with the topics. Question number 1. Ice kept in a well-insulated thermoflask is an example of which type of system? So here there are 4 answers. Select correct one. A. Open system, B. Closed system, C. Isolated system, D. None of these. So the best answer is isolated system. Number 2. A closed system is one in which A. Mass does not cross the boundaries but energy can cross the boundaries, B. Mass crosses the boundary but not the energy, C. Neither mass nor energy crosses the boundary, D. Both energy and mass cross the boundary. So correct answer is A. Mass does not cross the boundaries but energy can cross the boundaries. Next, number 3. A open system is one which A. Mass does not cross the boundaries but energy can cross the boundaries, mass cross the boundary but not the energy, C. Neither mass nor energy crosses the boundaries, D. Both energy and mass cross the boundary. Correct answer is D. Both energy and mass cross the boundary. Next question 4. In an isolated system, neither the energy nor the mass cross the boundary of the system. True or false? Answer A. True. Next question. A closed system is one in which energy crosses the boundary but mass does not cross the boundary of the system. So correct answer is A. True. Further, we will go through the 1 mark questions. This topic ensuring that each and every part of this topic is covered. Question number 1. What is isolated system? The mass of system remains fixed. Energy will not cross the boundary. Such system is called as isolated system. Give an example for isolated system. Example for isolated system is thermos flask. Write any 2 examples for open system. Example for open systems are turbine and compressors. What is open system? The mass of system is not fixed and energy may cross the boundary is known as open system. Give an example of closed system. An example of closed system is hot water bag. So, this is the end of this session. I hope you are all clear with what I thought.